In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use free shipping bar. To begin, open your Shopify admin and go to the Apps section. This is where you can manage the tools and integrations connected to your store. Once you are there, search for free shipping bar by Hextom in the Shopify App Store. Make sure you select the correct app so you can follow the same setup and features shown here. When you find the app, click Install App and complete the store integration steps. During this part, Shopify may ask you to confirm permissions so the app can work properly with your storefront. Review the prompts on screen and continue until the installation is complete. This usually only takes a moment. After the app is installed, open the free shipping bar dashboard from your Shopify apps menu. This dashboard is where you will create and manage the bar that appears on your store. To start building one, click Create New Bar. This will open the Setup workspace and guide you into the main customization options. Next, select a design template style. Choose a layout that fits the look and feel of your store. The template gives you a starting point, and it helps you quickly create a bar that matches your branding and store design. From there, scroll down to the Content Configuration section and enter your free shipping threshold amount. This is the amount customers need to spend before they qualify for free shipping. Be careful to enter the correct value, since this number controls how the progress messaging works. Once that is set, customize the 3 dynamic tracking messages. These messages update automatically based on how much the customer has added to their cart. Typically, one message appears before the customer qualifies, another appears while they are getting closer to the threshold, and the final message appears once they have reached it. Keep the wording simple and encouraging so it is easy for shoppers to understand. After that, go to Targeting Settings to define display rules. This is where you choose when and where the free shipping bar should appear. These settings help you control the customer experience and make sure the bar shows in the right situations. Finally, click Save or Activate at the bottom of the workspace menu. Saving keeps your changes, and activating makes the bar live on your store. Once that is done, your free shipping bar is ready to help encourage larger orders and communicate your shipping offer clearly. That covers everything you need to know.